Welcome to the shop at 1stSgt Armory. About us, 1stSgt Armory is a veteran-owned and operated small business out of Elizabeth, Colorado. Now we have over 45 years experience in custom cabinetry, custom woodworking, and have recently added CNC carving to this craft. Now here we produce many stock products, and they can all be viewed on our products page at 1stSGtarmory.com. But we more than welcome your ideas. Take one of our stock products and transform that into something that suits or meets your needs even better, or bring us a brand new fresh idea, and we will do all possible to transform that idea into reality. Now here's 1stSgt Armory. We use nothing but quality materials with an unwavering attention to detail. And our promise to you is that you receive an heirloom quality product produced right here in this shop in the United States. Nothing here is farmed out. We bring in hinges, screws, things of that nature, but everything else is produced right here in this shop. Now each one of our products bears the 1stSgt Armory trademark. So you know you're receiving a quality product produced right here. Look for that trademark. Now all of our products can be viewed once again on our website at 1stSGtarmory.com, where you can subscribe and follow us to see what's happening next on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Stay tuned, follow us. What you see next might just be yours.